everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another Publix video. If this is your first time to my channel, thanks for stopping by and welcome. If you are already part of the family, let's get right into this. Thanks for staying. First off, I have done several transactions with Publix, a lot of good stuff. So I'm gonna give you the way that I purchased these items, not in any random order. I did 7 transactions, so let's get right into it. So on this first receipt, I picked up one Big Soleil razor for $5.43. In the extra savings Publix book, there was a $2.50 off of one. It was a store coupon, and there was a $3 digital. So my new out-of-pocket was a moneymaker of 7 cents until the taxes kicked in, 43 cents. I paid a grand total of 36 cents out of pocket. I will put up the receipts, all of the coupons, and show you how the transaction pictures look as I did them. My second transaction that I did is actually funny. There's a $2 off one artisan burritos in the app. Some people got $2 off one, some people got $1 off of one. They are 2 for $5 in the store. So I picked one up, I paid 50 cents for it. 10 cents tax, 60 cents total out of pocket. The next receipt was another Big Soleil, same way, 36 cents out of pocket. My next transaction was one big razor. I picked up 2 of the Lay's potato chips. They were BOGO this week, $4.59. I also picked up a Rosita refried beans and a rolled gold tomato. Actually 2 of those cans because they were 2 for $1.59. I also ended up picking up 2 packs of M&Ms because I had a $2 off $10 perk from Publix. So I decided to add the 2 M&Ms in to bring it to my $10 total. Coupons that are attached were the $2.50 off of the Big Soleil store coupon. I had a digital for $3 off Lay's, a digital for $3 off the Big, a digital for $1 off of the Rosita refried beans. For the red gold tomatoes, I had 25 cents off and then my $2 off 10. That brought my purchase to $4.43. I had regular tax of 43 cents, food tax of 35 cents, ended up paying $5.21 out of pocket. Now, when you submit your receipts to Fetch, I want to say that you're getting back 92 cents for the Lay's potato chips. And I think that was all that I got points for. Everything else was 25 cents. The next transaction that I did were 2 of the potato chips, 2 of the red gold tomatoes, and 1 of the Rosarita refried beans, excuse me. The coupons that I applied were the $3 off Lay's, the $1 off Rosarita, and the red gold 25 cents off, leaving my total to $3.72. No regular tax. My food tax was 32 cents, $4.04 out of pocket. Next transaction, I bought 2 of the red gold tomatoes. I also picked up 1 of the artisan burritos, and I picked up the refried beans and the 2 chips. The coupons that attached here were the $3 off one Lay's, the $2 off of 1 artisan burrito, the $1 off of the Rosita refried beans, and the 25 cents off of the tomatoes, and $2 Publix perk brought my total to $2.22. No regular tax, 34 cent food tax, grand total $2.56. I'm sorry. Don't ask how it happened. I don't know, but I will read it to you as follows. I picked up 2 of the Swiffer wet refills for $5.93. I picked up 2 of the Swiffer mop unstoppables for $6.99 each. I picked up a razor at $5.43, 9 elements at $2.24. Coupons that came off were the $2.50 store coupon for the razor, the digital $3 for the razor, the digital $2 for the 9 elements, the $5 off of 25, and then I also got a 10 off of 2. My total for this transaction was negative $191. I had $2.68 in food tax. Regular tax. Food tax was negative 20 cents. My grand total, 57 cents. I have submitted my receipts to Ibotta. The only thing that I did get points for were the M&Ms and the Lay's. Again, everything else gave 25 cents. I will be posting up the coupons that I used. I'll post up my receipts, the rewards that I got back, and this deal is one of the best deals that I've done with food, although it's not like meat or anything like that. Anytime I can get any food items that we do use here in the house, it is great for me and always a winner. I just had my birthday yesterday. I got a great gift. I got a canning set, and that is what I will be doing. So I will no longer be buying canned food items as long as I can make them here at home. Shelf life is longer and it tastes better. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.